Preserving cultural history with laser scanners. High-definition laser scanners can document structures in a way that until now has not been achievable. Collecting millions of measurements and displaying them as a virtual model, scanners have been used to digitally record and preserve numerous culturally and historically significant sites around the world. Scanning creates a virtual record of the as-is conditions of a site in a format that is both a visual representation and a dimensionally accurate, survey-grade set of data that can be manipulated or modeled to extract all kinds of spatial information. Preserving this data can be important for many reasons. It provides a baseline model in the case of a disaster or a disturbance, such as a fire or earthquakes affecting the site, allowing for recreation of even the smallest details as accurately as possible. In the case of removal or damage of some components or even the entire structure, the exact condition on the day they were scanned is preserved in the digital record. The scan clouds can even be used to provide virtual tours or walkthroughs to remote viewers, giving them the opportunity to view and even interact with the site without being there. Areas that aren't normally viewed by visitors can even be made available if that area could be scanned. Measurements. Many kinds of distance, area, and volume measurements can be easily made directly from the scan cloud, providing a highly interactive set of data that allows users to examine accurate dimensions and get a true feel for the scale of the structure. Photorealistic texture maps. Photos taken either from the scanner or from the same location as the scanner can be applied to the point cloud, providing a more true-to-life visual and helping to relate the point clouds to the physical structure. These texture-mapped point clouds are comparable to looking at a photograph but contain all the spatial information of the scan data. 3D models. Many kinds of 3D models can be generated directly from the scan data, allowing for more accurate recreation of components in the structure, and even to build models of proposed designs. Models like these can be used to aid in the designing of remodel and retrofit components within the existing site to avoid conflicting systems. These models can be exported in formats that are usable in virtually any type of CAD or other modeling and design software. Settlement and deviation monitoring. The scan clouds are preserved as a baseline set of data in the case of ground settlement or a destructive event like an earthquake. Scans taken after such an event can be compared to the original data and displayed as a 3D color-coded deviation map showing the deformation of the entire surface instead of just a limited set of measured points. Here at White Shield, we have adopted the latest in scanning technologies and software to provide virtually any measurement, modeling, and virtual recording product for your project or site. We have experienced staff that will work with you to make sure your project is completed fully and efficiently and will tailor our methods and products to suit your needs.